Hi everyone, today I'm here with something a little bit different. It's an unboxing of a Chanel bag on chain or wallet on chain. Let's get to it. Okay, so you can see that this bag has a chain as well as a handle. This classic black and gold style as well. It's calfskin leather. They call this caviar because of the little bubbles in here as well. They're pretty faint, so hopefully that comes through on the video. But it does have a bit of a green texture to it, and these big diamonds are nice and puffy. Inside, we have a few different compartments. This front compartment is a nice big pocket. There's next a zippered pocket for maybe change, keys, things that you don't want to bounce around. A nice Chanel emblem on there as well. Then finally, excuse me, before we get there, we have another smaller pocket. And then we have a big main compartment with 6 credit card slots. You can see these white holders in there to keep the shape. And the top flap also has a zippered pocket, which is actually fairly deep. You can see it goes down to about here, actually. So you can put in cards or some other items in there as well. It's actually a pretty decent size. And yeah, that's the Chanel wallet. On the back, there's also an outer exterior pocket here too. It's not that big, but you can slide in maybe some cards in there as well. So this style is pretty versatile. You can either use it as a handle, and you can actually keep the chain inside the bag. You can wrap it around inside, for instance, and hold it like this. Or you can wear it across the shoulder if you take the chain out, or even potentially as a crossbody bag too. And to change the length of the chain, because there's no built-in holder here, it's not adjustable, you can also use this little clip here that will, you will essentially put the chain in place and then clip this on to, like this here. You can open and close it, and then you can save your chain at the desired length. So, not quite sure what this bag is called. The receipt just says O Mini bag. So if you do know what this bag happens to be called, please feel free to leave it in the comments. But it does retail for about $5,000 US as of August 2024. Thanks for watching. As always, please feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you next time.